You want a simple, practical solution. Here's what I tried and what worked. Start with pharmaceutical-grade DMSO and distilled water. Mix them in a 50-50 ratio in a glass spray bottle. Very important, it must be glass, not plastic. Plastic can react with DMSO and release unwanted chemicals into the mixture. Mix roughly 50-50 in a glass spray bottle. Glass is essential. DMSO can leach plastics. Distilled water matters because tap water carries minerals and impurities you don't want transported by DMSO. Shake gently, then spray your dog's food about 3 times each meal. It's a tiny amount, so the dog shows no digestive issues. What happens next is sensory. The mixture gives off an odor ticks hate. My dog used to pick up around 10 ticks a day. After the first day using this spray, not a single tick attached. Be clear, you're using a barely perceptible dose as a repellent via scent, not a pesticide. If you want the exact product I used, it's available here.